Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the AquaLung Storm Fin. So this is a open heel fin, but you're really designed to wear this barefoot. You can wear it with a pair of like neoprene socks if you want, but it's more of a kind of lightweight travel fin. You can use this while snorkeling or scuba diving. It's nice and compact. It's quite sort of flat as well, so it's going to pack away quite easily. And because it's nice and short, it means it's not going to be too cumbersome. But they've got some clever technology in this quite sort of stealth-like. It's got all these ridges sort of on it. So it's just as effective at moving you through the water. So taking a closer look, first of all, we're going to start right at the tip. So we have this modified fishtail tip. So this is a very sort of futuristic sort of style. What this is doing is it's helping to reduce tracking, which is where the fin kind of shudders from side to side. It's going to eliminate that. So each time you're kind of moving through the water, it's not going to shimmy through the water. It's going to be nice and straight and true and be sort of really comfortable. You'll notice all over this blade, we've got big sort of rails and ridges. So these all act to trap water and funnel it down towards the tip, so that increases the efficiency, so you don't need quite as long of a fin. We also got this little hole here, so on sort of both fins you've got this section, so that's really for storage and sort of travel, so you can carry them quite easily. You can kind of peg them up onto something and they stow away quite easy. Moving down the blade, you can see we got some color on here. So this is dependent on the size. So if you and your other half, you both have the same color fin, you both have white or black fins, but you have different sizes. Really easy to figure out sort of which is yours, because depending on the size, you get a slightly different color. Moving down to the foot pocket. So the foot pocket itself, all of this is made out of a single piece of monoprene, which is a strong sort of rubber-like material, but it's got a nice sort of velvety touch to it. So very sort of soft and comfortable. As I said earlier, you can wear this barefoot, so the kind of edge around the foot pocket is kind of curled around, so it's a bit more comfortable. And then inside of the foot pocket, you might be able to see is we've got this kind of sort of honeycomb hexagonal pattern, so you get a bit of grip on the underside, so your foot kind of stays in position. Around the heel strap, so this heel strap is a bungee heel strap, so this is elasticated, so that makes it really easy getting in and out of them. You don't have to adjust sort of ratchet straps either side, which can either be that little bit too tight or a little bit too loose. Because it's bungee, it just holds your foot in position, stops it from slipping around, and it's really easy to get on and off. You don't have to sort of deal with any buckles. On the underside of the fin, the foot pocket, so this has some big sort of chunky tread on the underside. So if you're walking around on the deck of a boat before you jump in, or sort of going in and out of the surf, you've got a bit of extra traction sort of on the substrate. So yeah, you've got a bit more traction. The bottom just mirrors the top with sort of big chunky rails, but overall, a fairly lightweight pair of fins. They pack down quite flat, which is quite nice. You still got a little angle of them, so that's increasing the angle of attack, so it's a bit more efficient. But you can sort of pack these away in your suitcase and then travel abroad with them quite easily. Yeah, they're quite light as well. Two different colors, black and white. All the different color kits, so you can really sort of define whose fins are whose. I really like them. A little bit more for sort of snorkeling and the kind of recreational chilled out scuba diving. For something a bit more active, swimming into current, I'd probably go for a slightly bigger fin with boots. But for just a nice sort of chilled out dive, lovely pair of fins. These are the AquaLung Storm Fins. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.